Hey everybody, in this video I want to go over why the upper cervical spine, or the area between your skull and the first two vertebrae in your neck, is such an important area, especially if you're dealing with anything like headaches, migraines, or even neck pain in general. Reason why this area of the spine is so important is because 70 to 85% of your entire somatic nervous system, so the part of your nervous system that's devoted to supplying muscles, ligaments, tendons, things like that, 70 to 85% of the activity that goes to that entire part of the nervous system is right here in this one area. So between your skull and the second cervical bone. And that's one of the reasons why you can have issues when you have tension in this area, or this area is not moving as well as it should. You can have things like neck pain, headaches, migraines, and the list goes on whenever this area is impacted in a negative way by any tension or anything like that. So this is what that part of the nervous system looks like when it's blown up and a little bit bigger here. So bottom of the skull, first cervical bone, and then C2 right there. We want this area to be moving as freely as possible and have the least amount of tension as possible, so that that part of your nervous system, which is so crucially important, does not get negatively impacted and doesn't cause things like headaches, migraines, neck pain, things like that. So that's why it's so important that you get this area at least evaluated by a professional. So what I see most commonly as a chiropractor is that sometimes these bones will actually shift out of place, and then it will put pressure on the nerves that exit at that area, which leads to muscle tension, guarding, all of that kind of thing. That can sometimes lead to headaches, neck pain, and more. And so what we will do, very simply put, is I will locate where these vertebrae are that have shifted out of place. We'll do a gentle adjustment, just enough to relieve that pressure off the nervous system, and then your body is back to healing again. So that's why it is so important that you get this area checked by a chiropractor near you to make sure that there's not anything impacting this part of your nervous system. It is so crucial to your health, and I hope you will take the opportunity to get it checked out.